Ever feel you sound stiff, awkward in front of your camera? Yep, that used to be me as well. Until I discovered these simple ways that changed everything. These are ways to speak on camera that will make people listen to you, even if you're so nervous. Let me show you how to sound natural, confident, and keep your viewers absolutely hooked. Let's dive right into it. Okay, first things first. If you're scripting your entire video, it'll be just too difficult for you to sound natural because you sound stiff because you're just like a newscaster. You're looking at it word for word and you're stiff, you're trying to read everything sentence by sentence and making sure you don't miss any single word. So that makes you sound stiff. It would definitely not sound natural. I'm not saying it's wrong to use teleprompters, but use it in such a way that you would not sound stiff. But if you feel like it still makes you sound stiff, listen to your own video, look at your own videos. And if you still come off as stiff, what I do is to just use slides instead, especially if you're delivering educational content. Like in this field, you're coaching, you're delivering courses, just use slides. If you use slides, you can then see the point and speak naturally. Once you see a point, you that reminds me of what you that reminds you of what you want to speak about, and you just flow naturally. Okay. And it's a nice middle ground because even your viewers can see the point. You're not hiding it. Unlike some YouTubers that will just have the notes. If they're not using a teleprompter, they will have the notes and then they look into their notes and then talk to the camera and then look into the notes and then you have to edit it all in between. All the points at which they stop to look into their notes and then look at the camera. So it's a nice middle ground. You have your slides there. They can still see you on the screen and you just deliver. So it helps you sound more natural and still gives you like you can still see your points. So you would definitely come off more natural than someone who is just reading the script word for word. You would definitely look more relaxed. Another thing, this one is huge, is speak as if you're speaking to your best friend. Speak as if you're speaking to your best friend because this helps you relax. How would you speak to your best friend? How would you speak to someone you like? You definitely won't be stiff up. You definitely won't be tensed and speak to them. You will be more relaxed. So even while you're teaching, even when you're giving value, speak as if you're speaking to your best friend. Chill, relax. Just imagine in your head that you're speaking to that person that is your best friend or the person that you know and like. And you just come off and, let me tell you something. And this is how you go about it. Do you understand? You just flow as if you were speaking to your best friend, and that energy will come off as well. This also has to do with when you're speaking about something you have some passion about or at least an interest about. That energy has to come forth because you might think that you're speaking on camera well, but your energy seems low because on camera it has this tendency to reduce your energy. So when you watch your videos, you'll be like, I was more, interested than this video portrays, but it doesn't give that energy that you used. So when you're speaking to somebody you know, someone who is your best friend, you're passionate about it and you want them to understand and you want them to get it. So that energy will come through. Don't skip this one for any reason. It's huge. And likability. Remember, when you're speaking to someone who you know, like, and trust, you speak friendly, you're kind, you're not like shouting at them and then speaking condescendingly. No, because it comes across as if some YouTubers will just speak, and the way they speak to the audience is like, audience is almost condescending. It's like, I know everything and you know nothing. No, 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 no. When you're speaking to your best friend, is that the way you speak? No, you speak friendly, you speak kind, you speak kindly. And that's the way that's the way you should speak to your audience, basically. Okay. So that's why I said that point is huge. Don't skip it for any reason. Now, another thing that can help you relax, because if you realize that anytime you press record, once you say record, you stiffen up. Oh, it's now time to record. Oh, I have to get every sentence perfect. I have to. No. What you can do is press the record and don't start speaking immediately. Relax in the presence of the camera. Because you can always edit that bit out. You can always edit that part out. So relax. If you want to practice some more, practice your scripts or your outline or your points. Just let the camera be on. I just want you to relax into that camera. That it's not that scary. Because sometimes when you press that record, you freeze up and you're like, I hope I'm going to say the right things. I hope I don't miss any sentence of what I, crammed or what I rehearsed. So just turn on the camera, hit record, relax, ease into that camera, like the fact that the camera is on before you start speaking. When you finish speaking, click on end the record and you're fine with it. No difference when you start, when you click on record, because record was already on even while you were not speaking, even while you were still, okay, let me prep with my points and see what I'm going to say. You should have hit record already. Okay? So that it doesn't, fact that you hit record won't be that scary. Now, if you get to subscribe at this point, if you're getting value from this is the right time. Drum roll for you. Click that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell because I'll be releasing educational videos like this. You know me. Most of my videos I even illustrate. I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, how to grow, how to turn your YouTube into your business. Now, in the description box below, you can work with me one-on-one. I don't work with everyone. You know that already. So click that link below in the description box and then apply and we'll see if we're a great fit to work together. Right. The next important point is feel good. This is the most important point. Apart from talking as if you're talking to your best friend, this one is also crucial. Feel good. Feel good that you're delivering something good. I'm glad I'm able to, teach people out there how to speak and have to be more relaxed and have to grow on YouTube and how to turn their YouTube to their media house and grow on YouTube and turn it to a business. You're giving tremendous value. So feel good. Feel good about what you're doing because if you feel good about what you're doing, you come across even better on camera. Like so stiff and so the camera becomes less scary. So just feel good about what you're doing because you're doing good. Don't take it too seriously. If you're not perfect in one video, trust me, in the next you'll be perfect. Remember I said it's all about the reps. You get better at communication in front of camera the more you do it. It's about the reps. So start. When you start, the more you make videos, the more you get better because the most important thing is trying to get better even if it's by 1%. So the more you make your videos, the more you get better. If you can't remember your points, just put out the outline on the slide. And in my videos, I've shown you how to do your slide in 1 minute, like with AI. So what you need to do next now is click that playlist that's shown on your screen and watch more videos like this that shows you how to improve on YouTube and grow your YouTube, explode your YouTube. A lot of small YouTubers are blowing up on YouTube now, in case I haven't told you. And now is the time for you to start. Jump right in. I've created an absolutely free checklist for you with all of these points and more in that checklist. It's a free checklist. It's in the description box. Just click that link. The second link in the description box is a link to the checklist and you get all of these points if you haven't gotten them already. Now, see you in the next video.